যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো।
What brings you to my country?
My husband and I have adopted a little girl.
একলা চলো, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো।
No, he used to be passionate, alive. I remember he used to smile all the time.
I have to tell the truth. We have to see things for how they are.
She deserves a real family. A real family believing in each other.
Would you stop acting like a child and start acting like a man?
You must act out of love, not desperation or need.